Hello everyone, welcome to the channel Unlock Law Online English. I am Advocate Kritika today here with a new video on adoption procedure for step parents in the series of adoption laws. Now let us understand what you mean by step parent. Step parent is a person who is married to either the biological father or biological mother of the child or children. Now, let us understand what is a procedure that is to be followed by a step parent to adopt a child. The couple, that is the step parent, and one of the biological parents, that is either the biological mother or biological father, shall register in the CARA system with required documents as mentioned in Schedule 7, that is Child Adoption Resource Information and Guidance System. So, now let us look at the documents that are to be produced. There are 12 list of documents that are to be produced to go ahead with the procedure. The first one is current family photograph or photograph of a person adopting a child, a recent photograph of the child or children to be adopted, Aadhaar card or passport or voter ID or driving license of the prospective adoptive parents or birth certificates or overseas citizenship of India card of the prospective adoptive parents or PAN card if applicable, birth certificate or proof of date of birth of the parents. In the event of a married couple, upload the applicant's respective medical certificates, proof of residence, that would be either Aadhaar card, voter ID, passport, electricity bill, or telephone bill, proof of income of last year, salary slip, income certificate issued by government department, or income tax returns. Certificate from a medical practitioner certifying that the prospective adoptive parents do not suffer from any chronic, contagious, or fatal diseases and they are fit to adopt. In the event of married couple, upload the applicant's respective medical certificate. That is, both of the persons, that is, both the father and the mother should be giving this medical certificate. Marriage certificate or divorce decree or declaration from the competent court or an oath pertaining to divorce in case where divorce is not governed by personal law or where a decree of divorce is not mandatory, or death certificate of spouse, whichever is applicable. Consent of the older child or children in the adoptive family, consent of the older child to be adopted, proof of both parents, that is biological and step parent, being legally wedded, consent of the biological parents, that is spouse adopting the child or children as provided in Schedule 20 of the adoption regulation along with the relevant document mentioned thereof. So for the format, you can refer to the Schedule 20. So these are the list of documents that are to be produced before the consent authority for the adoption procedure. Moving further, consent of the biological parents and the step parent adopting the child or children shall be provided as per Schedule 20. So I have called out this one before. And here you have to notice it is not just the parent, it is parents. That is both biological father and biological mother should give the consent. Just because you are divorced, that doesn't mean that the other parent who does not have the custody of the child or who is not being wed or who is not party to this one shall not have the right. He has all the rights and even his consent or her consent is very much mandatory. In case the custody of the child is under litigation, the adoption process shall be initiated only after finalization of the case by the court consent. So if the divorce is granted, then there is no stoppage for the second marriage. But if the child custody is in question and is under litigation, then you cannot proceed ahead with that of the adoption procedure by the step parents. The biological parent and the step parent shall file an application in the family court or district court or city civil court as the case may be, as per the format given at Schedule 32. So you can refer to this Schedule 32 of the Child Adoption Resource Information and Guidance System guidelines. So you can find the format over there. Or if you need the format, please do comment below, or please do connect with me via WhatsApp in the provided number so that I can share the same with you. The applicant shall obtain a certified copy of the adoption order from the court concerned and furnish a copy of the same online to the authority through the KARA system. So this is how you have to follow the procedure. To sum up again, the biological parent and the step parent who intend to adopt the child or children of the biological parent shall file the adoption application as provided in Schedule 32 in the court consent of the district where they reside, along with the consent letter of the biological parent and the step parent adopting the child or children as provided in Schedule 20 and all other documents as provided in Schedule 6. Before issuing this adoption order, the court shall satisfy itself the various conditions that are stipulated under Section 61 of the Act and Regulation 51 to 56 as the case may be. Once the prospective adoptive parents shall obtain a certified copy of the adoption order from the court, shall furnish a copy of the same to the district child protection unit for online submission to the authority, or you can even directly submit it to the online authorities and get yourself documented. Now, this will be followed by changing of the parent's name in all other documents like Aadhaar card or the school records. So this court order would be a valid document to do all the necessary changes. So this is all about the adoption by the step parent. Let me know if you have any questions in the comment section, or you can connect to me via WhatsApp in the provided number for any queries or concerns. Before moving to the next video, please do not forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel. It is absolutely free and it would mean the world to me. Thank you for watching.